Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious custard using condensed milk. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 4 large eggs, and 2 cups of whole milk. Next, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a baking dish, such as an 8 by 8 inch square pan. It's important to ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin mixing for the best texture. Now, let's mix our custard base. In a large bowl, whisk the 4 large eggs until they are light and slightly frothy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, slowly add the entire can of sweetened condensed milk, followed by the 2 cups of regular milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Finally, pour this delicious mixture into your prepared baking dish or individual ramekins. For baking, place your dish into a larger pan and fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. The custard is perfectly set when a knife inserted about 1 inch from the center comes out clean. Once baked, carefully remove the dish from the water bath and let the custard cool completely at room temperature. After cooling, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to chill thoroughly. Your homemade custard is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled, either plain to savor its creamy texture, or enhance it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a decadent drizzle of caramel sauce. For any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.